Alright guys, 718, we're going to run the Sugar Skull for Jerry. It is 718. We'll type live on the post. We are live. 718, 718. I'm going to grab a list. And we're going to drop 7 spots into random. We have 7 entries. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7 times. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 times. Dice is a 7. Next click. Top spot. Good luck. And 7. Congrats, Dean. Spot number 2. You are the winner. Get in touch with Jerry. Get that to you. 719. We will type done. We are done. 719. 719. Dean on top. Timestamp and verification.